Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I'm coming on to share with you this cool card making and papercraft magazine that I picked up at Joann's. I believe you can also pick it up at Barnes & Noble if you have one near you. And I paid $13.99 for it, but if you have, I guess, one of those memberships at Barnes & Noble, you may be able to get a discount, but I don't have one, so I just picked one up at Joann's. So the reason why I'm coming on, because they have this really nice die set inside. It's a border die, and it's the Sara Davies collection. It's a signature collection. So in case you were looking for this, I thought I would share it with you because it says it has 4 fab gifts inside. So I just thought I would open it up in case you were curious what was inside, because it's a really nice magazine and it has, I guess, 4 free gifts. I don't know, but I saw it and I thought I would share what was inside in case you were curious. So it has some really nice cardstock. It's a Shabby Chic 31 beautiful pages that complement your signature cards. So it has some double-sided cardstock. These are good quality papers. So I will flip through the papers that are inside this magazine, because normally it doesn't come with stuff like this. It just comes with maybe a stamp set or dies, but look at the beautiful papers. So I'm just going to show you what the papers look like, and like I said, it's good quality papers, not that magazine papers. So this is so pretty. So I just thought I would share that with you in case you saw this magazine in your store. This is really beautiful florals. I mean, just gorgeous. All the colors. To make your card. So that's one gift. And then this one right here is the die set. So it layers together the 3 dies. So I'll open that up too. And let me see if I have any scrap cardstock. I can cut it out for you guys so you can see how it looks. I love border dies. I just have a thing for border dies, and I don't have one in my collection that's quite like this. I have something close to it, but not like this. So this is the design. It has like a scallop and then a straight edge, and then it has something that decorates the edge on the inside of the scallop. So you can just take these 3 pieces off. It has like some really strong tape. I'll just take all the different layers off. And I do have some scraps right here. So I'm just going to get out my trimmer and trim off some scraps. So I can just cut off an edge. So we can see how this cuts out. And then I'll see what the other 2 gifts it's talking about. Hopefully it's not something that only the UK people can get and maybe we can get, but it could possibly mean that. So I will bring out my little die cutting machine so you can see what it's talking about. Okay, so I'll cut 2 of the edges with the border attached. So what you do is you just line this up these 2 pieces together, and then use some kind of washi tape like that, and then run this through your machine, and it'll cut this pretty design. Okay, here is the straight scallop cut for the border, and then here is the scallop within a scallop and the inner part of the scallop design. Really pretty. And then this is how it looks on the panel. So I really love this freebie gift that they gave with the magazine. Okay, the die measures about 4.6 inches, and it says on the package it's about 0.6 inches wide for this part. So it'll fit like a normal size A2 size card on the border, like on the side. It's really pretty. But you can do whatever you like for like a 6x6 card. This looks like to be about a 6x6 card, and you can use it in the middle or like almost the center, how they designed this card. So I love how they designed this card. It's really pretty. These are some templates to make this little fox right here, and it's just a, looks like a little cute fox, like maybe a, doesn't say what it is, it just says it's a fox card. So some type of pop-up fox card for kids. I'll show you what that looks like. So it just gives you some things that you can cut out yourself to come up with this cute little design. So that's really nice. I may even be able to maybe dupe this on the alphabet punch board. So we'll see. Then there's another template to create this camera card, which is cute. So there's a template in the back on how to do that. Looks really easy. So that's the template right there. There's one for a flower. So I'll show you that. So really nice ideas. Let's see, there's some more on here. There's one to make a explosion box card. So I'll show you that one right here. That's a really fun card. And then there's one to make this little flower explosion card. So there's a lot of ideas in the back for that. And I mean, there's tons of things in the magazine that you might be interested in. There's a lot of card designs. One thing that I thought was really interesting, these are the magazine papers that I was telling you about that I don't really care for. That the other paper that came free with the magazine was a lot better quality. But with your free gift, they do give you some ideas on some cards to create with the free gift. So I'll turn to that page really quickly, and then I'm going to sign off. So I'll turn to that page. Oh, here it is. So let's see if I can zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so here are some beautiful cards that you can make with the free gift. They give you some ideas. So really pretty, and it's also using the free papers that come with the magazine. So I really love how they design these cards. So yes, really pretty. And then there's some more ideas on the back with that card and die set. So if you see this magazine, you may want to check it out. I thought it was a good purchase, and I again paid $13.99 for it plus tax. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. Take care, everyone. And again, this is Card Making and Papercraft magazine, and it's the one with the picture of Sara Davies collection on it. Okay, so take care, everyone, and have a fabulous day.